It's Impact TV Kuki channel hi avela tuni agenda Manipur Kuki edition discussion ar vezausi kaima semilal kip genin nabon chavin lemna kahin nei kini nahi tuni ke olim na di topic cho hi le separate land law for hill areas isu ai ho thinghang Manipuram thinghang gama law thakhat sip lo deham ti thu hi tu masangin achi sa thamasa 25th February ni in assembly ai ho state assembly a chief minister ba in hi chi thu hi po do na nei hi chi po do na a hin nei hin thing hang mi te ding in ling law na khat zong na hi in chule iga be na hi lai ho hi thing hang gam chule adis na Manipur hi ai ho Constitution of India in special provision api 371C chule MLR and LR Act 1960 chule hi chi noyam section 158 chuan i changam khana hi event bit vai ho mo hi ai la hi chana chung chona hi chi separate land law for hill areas tia hung ki podo pa hin IPT de ha normal da se gel gel the normal lo ta se gel la he a hele asil ngau gel the ji chun hi chi ipi lungtuk hele ipi intention ham aphalang ham phalo ham ti thuai tu ni ho Impact TV Kuki channel studio hi chi discussion nai hung ki hodi we hin chula hi chi discussion na ding hin zam ta guest ni hung ki kovin ama se pen mani chu ta la na hin in kating ka koma to hi pu Dr. R. Sanga social activist Amazon Impact TV Kuki channel thangin lemna ka hin nei nahi abana to hu pu TONGMANG HAOKIP retired IRS Amazon Impact TV Kuki channel thangin lemna ka hin nei nahi ahile to injin jong ka hin saitan ama se pe na hi chi separate land law for hill areas tia hung ki podo pa hi inja ka in sai bang chu 37C chu le MLR LR Act tam ta jong inai bin na hi chana chung so na hi chi hung ki podo pa hi EP intention hi dem EPJ hi dem ama sa pen pen in pu Dr. R Sanga ko mana chi kate
to honorable CM February 25th near State Legislative Assembly Flora spread land law for hill areas balls or darkare angai mong et ya asay pahi ipi intention na ham ipi ja say ham te chu thilni na say thein aphala min jonga say thein asela min jonga say thein chi igela hi ai hill areas hupsunga hi azawai say banga Article 371C ki say pa chu iveta hi ai hill areas committee dinga he atin hill area committee order aumin che hill area committee order 1972 umahin constitutional 371C dung zo ya chu order pa hi 1972 umahin hill che hi ka sei nom chu hill area definition jong akipein hill area definition ape na chu a hill areas a meaning pa chu a area pa chu apen a hin cha I heading a pa chu ipiham iti ai le English hi ei pa wa hi in geographical term umen scientific term umen medical term umen to a hill areas ki pa article 371 ki sei pa hi geographical term ala dinga ipon aji jo ipyam taile a order veta a hi aile che order dungzu ya hi hill area order cho a area cho asein Manipur East District, West District, South District, North District ina kilengning 1972 acho che hon a ho zo se chu hill area hu pahin valley jong hu khamai the thinglang jong in mai the a valley hu na jong chu hill area according to the Constitution of India hill area sunga umai ti chu mi jo se hin I het ding pha ka sa ayen che dung zuin azawa za to bang chun 1960 a hi MLR LR Act Manipur state government in land law Assama land law iza ham che dung zui chun alai an bol doi chắc cái bol đó hi head to bang hi section 1 achu. It shall extend to the whole of the state of Manipur except in the hill areas thereof. A principal ekacho. Ahin la 1976 amendment ang ki bol do in proviso ape in. Che proviso ape na chun. Hill area hi che MLR LRA ki extend loading kiti yong le. By notification hi any part of the state of Manipur hi tinglang hi yong le. Phayang hi yong le. Extend ball thai ding he by notification. Na che chu akibe. Che chu a basic hung hi le. Honorable CMN Assembly Flora asay pa hi a positive lang in kivele. Len lo achu manading te he achu separate ati je chun. A sa ho zo se su mga atha buong mga bol dinga tinaham. Ay lo le existing a sa ho 1956 chun thinglangam protection ading khatchu ana ki din. Manipur Hill Village Authority Act 1956 aumin. Village Authority Act. Tuwajong umahin. Cepahin thinglangam administration akibolding chan. Police power to police ikat judiciary power jong apein. Na. Ceozo se ating in kisayle. Ki manglo to banga na jengin. Tu chan ki ai. Chole village authority ki landing jong hi ayo thinglang mi ho hi chieftainship institution tu chan ge ya umahin police ki bol lo che chieftainship institution a cho ek chief of the village village a house pa hi ex officio chairman a hi dingai tin cha village authority act 1956 a cho na say ain village authority member ho cho ki landing democratic ta ki landing na che a number jong chu number of household dung in a umin minimum a chu 20 household a hi ding che chu village are ke ngai si thei bet ding 20 household a ko na achung lang amia tam dung ya village authority member jong tam ding ki ti a hin che Manipur state hi iveta a hi ai le 1947 a Manipur state act aung ki bol do a hi valley le hill chu achumbe a asiprena administration chu umsa parallel na che da na yin aji chu state ading in 47 na state ek umin che kumma ma chu Manipur Hill regulation within bracket administration 1947 kiti pai a umin na achuma administration chu che dung jo ai tu ai separate land law for the hill areas che boarding kiti pai che amma sanga sa ho zo se chu la do a atha bia boarding hap ai lo le a sa chu amendment board thei lo ham akum jong tam tan 1956 sa Manipur Hill Village Authority ek jong hi obsolete jong iza ham wang tho ve ta a hin la a hoi jong umin che alui ho chu obsolete section ho chu amendment board thei hin na amendment ai wang chu separate land law hi lo chu na che ja hi a intention pa pen hi ipipen ta hi diam ti chu aman jong a sei hi che chu apprehension ti di ba land law aung ki sei teng le sensitive ma mai je chu che chu we have to be very careful a chu ti lo wai le eo thinglangam hill area house anuya ki vai pu hi je win land holding system hi nagate ho le Kuki Zomi group ho na hi kichu mahin nagate ho awang cho alam samin ki sele community land holding to banga hin e ho langa hi ai le Zomi la hi jong le Kuki la hi jong le land holding system hi chief house pa hi obsolete authority nei to banga umahin na ai wanga democratic taka cho village authority che ajowa ka se 1956 Manipur Hill Village Authority Act dung jo ya hi village authority ki lengai na cha ki leng dung jo ya hi thinglangam masangla ya chu zooming cultivation hi cho ine jon na pau hi ine ho na pau na che ja chu authority member ho chun to khoma resolution allow wa ngam hop na ding chelang kumkil le chelang pa te abo lo hen ain tu khanga hi modern as di tai te development jong ahung khang do in chule population jong ahung khangin chedung ju ya chu EPPM amendment boarding wang tho ve ta ahin la achum bia boarding ki ti pa hi kei ge la hi adar kare ki ti ding hi yo iti dinga a hi ai le tu hi atheng theng ki se le su group a omon tripartite political talk jong nei win na che ho jong se hi akichai ting le aung ki chai ting le len lo cho bol tau te ti chu kalung ge lau mai
adi na ai la twin directly pu tong mang command sing kati ichi len lo new land lo ek tun pun jong hin saitan na pu sangan jong ai le nang be da na hi chief minister pa na hin sai hi chi len lo ek tha sip di hi thing hang le phai jam khan to na hi akiba na ding he ti na asai khan to na chang na thai na ding he ti na sai na ai le hi chi intention chu hi mo ham nang ma gel da na intention hi ipi mo nga hi dem nang jong eu khat line comment hin pi
Impact TV ngayu si kalim na chibai ka pe ne tun pu sanga in PSA ta in the intention behind chief minister's proposal na for a new land law in hill areas of Manipur chi ke ma vet dan in hitin ka be ne khat hi ha le sa 1960 MLR LR Act sa hi in ja hin thing langam protect bol ding a chu the act shall be applied on to the whole of Manipur except hill area they are clearly the act in spell out the ball hi chi hi 1976 chun amendment ki ball in amendment ki ball chun PSA yam ta le in the original act it in a scene here section 1(2) to amend the Kibola it shall extend to the whole of the state of Manipur except in the hill areas thereof proviso ki henge proviso chun PCM tele provided that the state government may by notification in the official gazette extend the whole or any part or any section of this act to any hill areas in Manipur through notification. Amasa achu hichi ek duju ya hi thinglangam hi totally exclude na ki bol hi. Ala proviso hong ki had do na chu wherever there's a requirement by the government in the public interest na hichi chuale hichi provision pa hi MLR LR Act hi thingthang area jo extend ki bol thi hi ngai chat dung ju ya ti kot hi ki hong ai chu back door has been opened hi chi chun tampi an tong khai a ji chu thingthang gama valley area wetland cultivation na agriculture land ho jo se hi chi proviso no ya hi MLR Act extend hu ki bola thing lang mi ho la jong pata hung ki pia phai li nei the hi hi ho chu one provision hi in aphat na khat jong om na le hi in one way hi chu bank loan ho ala security a jong I pata chu ki tu the hi ti he hi a hin la a lacuna chu bi ham ta le land extended MLR Act ki bol ho ju si a documentation ho ju si chu Hill District DC Hawk Office a Taluwa, Valley District, Imphal East, Imphal West, Thobal, Bishenpur. Amano ya he land report you see ki ko etani. Iti ya chu ehon provision khat section 158 o media ikine piwang wa chu hichihin it fails to protect in a certain way. Ye chu pham ta le 158 chun PCM tale any tribal khanin agam chu non tribal koma aju dia le this DC pa in hate avet suya adi nai tale permission pe the hi ti Parent Act 1960 aju umahi hi 1976 amendment ahu thamkhat amendment ki bola na 158 jong amendment ki bola DC koi tabang non tribal pan non tribal comma aju ugu na le DC comma application shading DC pan details ho cha vet suya adi nai ta le permission ju api dia le ichi api masanga ju district council comma approval ala di hi ti ju aye ju 76 langa hi district council form ne ki bo ta ju after statehood attainment ya ju district council hi is the steward ti da ai lu ba le ave swidinga ki kwa hi ju thinglang protection ahin la hichi extended revenue land ho chu a document ho chu Imphal DC alo le Thobal alo le Bisenpur DC ho ko ma ta ya chu Churchanpur DC Chandil DC Senapati DC pan imacha hetalo chu chule district council ko ma jo documentation lu ya ti macha hetalo ya chu Imphal DC Valley DC ho chu anup no ma hi ki cho sa ta chu tribal ho gam hi non tribal ko ma ki ju ta chu ukha area langa gam ki ju ho yu si pangal hon a cho yu si hu ichi ho hi effect hi ye chu DC Churchanpur ka he phapu district council Churchanpur jong ki hon knowledge ka ni pu bi ti ye chu DC Bisenpur la bona ama una ki bol tai ya loophole hu ma chu na thinglang mi te der akimange ka ti ma lai ta chu ai le ipibola to hi atha be a new land law ki bol bu ke loophole ho cover bo na dinga chu ki bol he la phai ahin la hichi ho ki hilowa adang dang mei le valley mi ho non tribal ho alut the na di wa chu provision hung ke koi khadi ham ti pa ki cha ta hi ke ma lung gel lin wang a phat na lang be pun tin e hon tu pe na district council jong in a event chu tit le DC jong e ho own DC in district ama ho khut na hin I land document ho yo si han lang le e hon protection ki pi the la lai e chu ai bol do ba le there's no need for a new land policy ke ma gel dan na e jong he apha khop sen ne he ka ti to existing provision ho if it is implemented in the right manner na e chu e ho da apha khop sen ti ke ma vi be
adik na ai la twin to Dr. R Sanga kumansi kining kating hichi separate land law hi nangyal dana hi is it related with politics na politics to hin relate hi ham sule ai lo la administration lang to hin ki relate hi ham ama hi ipi tan hin tam nang ma gel dana hin sai hichi law hong ki porok pa
ke ma gel dana hi land akiti ting le custom culture chole traditional practices or ima ho zo se land to killing isu I custom ho jong killing isu chole I culture jong chu killing isu na je je hi land lo ang kiti ting le politics to killing isu je je hi a land lo ke se ga se ya a politics jong ya lo wa ti chu thei lo wa I see our day to day life is politics all about na che hintin che development a thei poi ki ti chu development a thei na dinga chu government chun ep bol di ham budget a agona each and every village in the hill areas develop na ding chun budget a gun thei chula na chule alen lo hi ajo wa ka sei banga village authority act jong umin che chung vu ma chun ADC District Council Act 1970 umin na 71 Rule 71 che district council ek hi ki sai ma satale na o Manipur state hu dang hi ding pha na hi azawa ka sai banga parallel administration valley and hill so anache khom chu parallel a chum be a che ja chu state hu dang hi ding a jong chu 1970 a hi tua azawa sai banga a ek pa chu na cha 1971 katina 1971 Manipur Hill Areas District Council Act chua umin rules 1972 che hi iveta a hi aile che Manipur Hill Areas District Council Act pa hi Indian Constitution a 5th schedule a jong umlong chule 6th schedule a jong kit lo local act ti tai te powerless toothless act mi jo sen ati zina pa hi constitutional protection khalo eki jo alokala bol to bang na ahin la thinglang mi te achuma administration theina ding politically administrative power chu ape thona chu che hi che ja chu village authority within the purview of district council hungi chu chadung ju ya hi di Manipur Hill Areas District Council pa hi within the purview of Hill Areas Committee hung ki cho na chan a concept pa jo ekati che ja hi to a land law ki ti politics to related hi na cho mihim ami apina a hi ile custom lo ti thelo cho culture nei lo ki ti thelo cho che ja cho land pa to a chieftainship institution pa hi ivetaile British te ho ahung lut masang pe a ko na chieftainship institution hi e ho la an sai chu che ja chu ama hon jong recognizable wa hausa te ho ko ma British te ho chun India ada la dingwa hi 1947 dunga hi village jurisdiction a boundary hi nang Mr XI che lai a hi agam gi chi ahead na dingwa hi as a recognition of the village chief lekha ana peu cho British te ho cho achum bia na cho che pa cho India government hin ahead ja hi parallel administration hi ana sa hi ya tu chan ge a jong chu parallel ai wanga implement ki bol lo hel chu thing lang e ho administrative power ho ima ho hill area committee la a hi ding banga khatalo na che je ta hi land law ki ti land ahung ki sai teng le very very sensitive in development ibon chake win development we all welcome development na ahin la development them cha je ahi land acquisition boarding pai ipiti dia ki chup chena igel lowaile igamui abona central government ham Manipur government ham abona lut ding eo thinglang mi ho tribal te ho Indian constitution au ki bola drafting drapa ki bola ya ko na hi the pu Dr. Ambedkar chun tribal te ho protection ape pa hi eo ikipe hilo chu Manipur government in jong anpe hilo chu constitution a kipe pa hi a hiding to banga hi iche sa di chu state a jong chu cha a che lo ja chu akam a state chunga evena hi le tu a jong hi vele chun kailam wal sanctuary kiti khat veta kailam langa che pa hi a process chu central government a chu world sanctuary adinga wildlife sanctuary katina kailam wildlife sanctuary adinga recommend Manipur state government chun ana bol do ichu 1997 dunga chu 1997 la hi alokala chu abu ai buizia chu a koi machan office lang chu kive man talo chu na che lai ta chu ana pe lu chu che kailam wildlife sanctuary chu eko ikat ahup sung hi surface ahup sung hi ale na len jeng guite kwal kiti pa chu chu na tin khulanga chu che ho jo se chu beidi chu che pa hi Manipur state government in jong ahead ding chu wildlife sanctuary hi po waile the owner will be the central government, not the state government. Forest nu yang hi ta ji acho. Cheja chu gamu hi central government hi atama tamali na len lut dinga ki hu ta chu. Cheja hi chei politics to len lo hi ki relate mama a hi je acho eon iptd ha we must be very very careful. Na civil society ho ai lo le house ho to ai lo le hill area committee to ito ho mu wa Manipur state government to ito ho mu amendment to existing ek ho law ho chu evet chu ma amendment bola phajo ham separate land law chu bol khel khel lo wa existing ho chu amendment chalaya bola ngai ti na pa chu even tribal te protection chu constitution dung jo aki protect lo wai le igam land jong mangding ami jong ki mangding i pau i ham jong mangding che ja chu gam chu development ading hi iveta ai ale lease system a che thi chu lease hi even 90 years can be leased out to any person by the owner of the land na land nei tu pa chun a lease hi development ading hi jong le te kana dingin ART on tinglanga chu ahungum ta diji wa chu agam chu om na ju adar kare hau sapa chu li sa pe di je ape jong ape ting singa ta hina ART ho chu che singa ta na pa gam hi ka ute ho khat gam le midang mi ni le thum gam sunga khau chu che chu ke chun ka sai pe li sa ka bo pe li sa akilau che dung ju ya chu agam pa hi central government loot khel lo state government loot khel lo development jong ha bola bol the hi chule village tinglangam develop bol te ale state government chun budget chu ipidinga agun ji lo ham tu chang ge ki gung lo hel chu village level ai na village authority ek hiya cha hi judiciary power jong financial power jong hiya che village authority te hon avet chu dinga chu a budget ang hi lang hi le development chu hoita che di chu
ai là twin pu TONGMANG command si kin kating ho revenue ta collect ki bol cha ho hill house tax kiti na hi chi hi revenue collect from MLR Act 1960 tax hi piti da sufficient hi lo ham compare bona ai chi ho zia zong hi ham lain sai
revenue angle I bet na hill house tax or he land revenue loot lo is only a hill house tax land revenue ang loot ho cho le phai le ho pata land up kuna pui inja pusanga in achi just to supplement about no cho ya le Manipur government hin strategy ni ane jo tinglangam la na dingai one is Forest Act iam kat law ale tinglangam hi ahoi lai yu si forest land hi sa de the tribal ho chun lu ho ya ho ta de na chichu number 1 I wa they are using this constitutional rights aza ucho tools ale langkhana phaile langa pa ju MLR era ek achal lu sa bu no chu he chun ni pe vet sam tia both sides from the hilltop from the valley anya ene be bu no chu ya suffer ding hi ale chinglam ni ki hi chu ale constitutional 371A le he the Nagaland ya na Meghalaya le Nagaland Mizoram event na le ama when full protection ani yu chu tribal land hi na ayi chu clearly spelled out tribal ho gama natural resources ho yu si on chu tribal ho sanding hi government in lathi lo chu ka uranium mine ho Meghalaya ki mu chu uranium metia ale exploit ball bu no ba le ke ho private land hin ball thi pu bin ati tau chu na ala Nagaland na yung Assam to contiguous area ako Sibsagar kom dunga ako extension of Assam oil shell lumay jo ito ko Nagaland Valley dunga ako India government exploitable gula Naga students na HAOKIP ta jo kihoga ma umahin this cannot be exploited by government atibla they have got the right ala Manipura jo provision for protection of tribal land as well as the natural resources ini na the equation jo iti right ini lo wala tu ni jing ham khat la mineral resources ko ta lo mai the jo igam ba chi chu government in Ibachun uranium ham alo le gold mine ham petroleum ham gas ham tai hung win tin machine in pulun de extract on board use Japan le conflict in la ti ka chu Jharkhand le Chhattisgarh hanga hu mineral rich area jo ja hu iron ore exploit bol na dinga hu tribal ho hi adal do wa upon chika chu iron ore mining a bol jo chu tribal has no right just like 371A to banga chu ani lo chu all the land belongs to the government langa chu tribal ho protection lo chu at least Manipura 371C in ani khau chu fully protect hi yong na Manipur government cannot encroach into the tribal land aji chu MLR era na asita chu it can extend only to the valley area, not to the hill area. Ati ya. Hichi dungju ya chu ho hi protect eki bolu hi in hichi ho hi pateta hon isim phanwa biha Manipur government to iki ho di wa le chu. Hichi lai ta me ki ho protection di. District council full power ki pi ala ki ho protection ta chu. Na it's not required for a new land policy. SANGA it can be amended wherever it is possible. Na, chikat na ju stand iladi kadi.
Stand loud na. Athasip loading om sa so amend wall hem ti so ai le twin nani ni hon comment question khaga ko hinkating na twin hi le hi chi separate lane lo hi sibding hum tale ai le who will make the new law? Kuna sip deham na. Kuna sip under Article 371C. Kuna sip deham under ADC. Kuna sip deham under the state government. Who will have the right to make this new land law? Comment question ga ko
question hoi ta koi pen ta jo authority hi deham land law new land law ki boarding le ti chu na checho it's good question and questionable. Azia chui piam tai le ibeta hi ai. Ayo wa ka sei banga cho village authority act village level. Each and every village ama village jurisdiction sunga administration bola dinga saya. Chechunga cho autonomous district council ati cho na within the purview of autonomous district council cho. Chedung jo ya cho ADC pa hi within the purview of Hill Area Committee hung ikiti cho. So Hill Area Committee hi competent authority kati cho ke cho. State lang ngai lo. EPJ hamiti ai le azawai sei banga cho Hill Area hi parallel administration masang pya ko na che Manipur tribal te ho land holding system is very, very unique in compare with all other states in India and even in global na. Land holding system pao hi nagate ho hi yong le zomi ho hi yong le Kuki hi yong le land holding system pa hi hausa chieftainship institution nuya hiya. Che pa hi tu chan ge ya acquisition of chiefship lo lai na hausate ho beilo lai ai zia chu hausate ho le Hill Area Committee chun civil society te ho to ato ho mu wa land law chu a boarding by competent authority hi e ti chu ke lungela umahin
ala pu bang nang
hi chi chu men bol di ham ai lo wal le a chi sa pa hi abolish bol di ham ti pa chu apartment jo hin pu in tin na ala 2015 to propose MLR 7 amendment bill khat na ki form PHU ILP chu sanga Manipur termile na hina na buina na sapa ijilaya chu EP adoy ham ta le 7 amendment bill a ya ma hon section 14 hin valley area a gam ki cho lu ho he asi la hill area hello ala valley area section 14 here ma on a le b I had be go no ba proposed village hicha chu non tribal ho alo wala non manipuri ho ko ma chu hichi thil ho chu ki ju thelu de hi gam ti khat abol ba hichi to ki hona chu 158 jong hi mention abol ba 158 na chu ama hon 1976 bila ek na chu tribal khatchun non tribal ko ma gam ju a le DC pa ko ma apply boarding DC pan district council approval yo ya acho sa de hi ti pa chu ama hon district council pa ya la do chu cha DC pan hoi ta detail ho cha wedding aphanai ta le cabinet coma for put up a boarding Manipur government in approval as that means there's a way of bypassing the district council authority chichu ama ho tactics chichu to hi tabang law ho an het lut be yu chu to a jong next step ma na ama ho district council tha yu chi la pi diu le 371 C provision ho redundant and he sa diu hija chu ho thing la mi yu si pan khoma the rights le authority on land ho protection board ke hi ti pa hi ke lungel hi in chukit le ani na hi forest act ho an za diu hi forest a chama hon thing langam hi thing lang mi hon tribals have cut down all the forests. That's why there's scanty forest and rainfall is affected, flash flood au minahi ti ho excuse an za diu ta cho na ji cho an za wa le forest area protection and board diu to pha le hon lo holding on ki het loading na thing pu na di om ta loading. That means who is more important, human beings or the forest or the trees na forests and trees and other resources are meant for human beings. Ni him dia kisim ya chu there should be a equilibrium balance ni in age forest yang to protect body ahin la not at the cost of human beings ji ka sei no ama ho hin an sei diu hi eng lang gam chu la na thi ama hon achut pha lu na siu chu forest area declare body valley to kinai chi si chu land revenue pa lut sa le ama hon do chi area yu si chu cho ding right na nei diu na ti han lang le intrude and boss thi we hi chi e ho ding a danger point hi ti chu ka si no
and that to common question ga kai kiting kating hi chi new land law hi hung ki tha be khat hung ki sim han lang hi le tribal protection he will be totally eliminated or will not be jai nang ni lungel dan in sai han ta dia to Dr. Sanga in chai maso
so land law hi adrap jong lo lai hi na to an do na pa chu chu ti mong in umin te ti chu ki sei the lo ai ka ti na ahin la apprehension wang chu na chu to aputong mang jong an sei tan 2015 anti tribal tree bill tia amina ki sei jeng pa hi chei ve ta hi ai le len jong a tong kha na chu le power imama yung atong abon atong ha gam chu tua protection a sa tam hi jong ni na che pa jong chu la mang ding to banga a hungu mahin tu hin spread land law hill area ding ki state government chun a boarding po wai le che 2015 na sanga hi se jo di ham ti jong chu apprehension ta chu che ja ting lang mi te ho hi ibon cha ke wa ka sei num chu i pan kho mu wa ki chup chana i ve do wa state government chun adar kar mo nge spread land law hi hill area ding in adar kar ta a boarding jong le drop an bola ko na hoi ta i ching wa i ve do wa che chu apai che chu papoi ti pa hi khat ve langa ILP nasata ahung uma tribal civil society te ho yong chu an ko kho mu wa i dei banga ti ta te na hoi sa to banga ikilung lul na ILPS committee member te ho UCM te ho amuko te ho to tribal zomi council hile Kuki MP hile marin pu hile kitong kom chu government to kom masangai ai le cha chu cha chan ge chu kilung lo thai tai akiti pa nai agomina akipe lu thin tin akipe lu jawa chu abil chu pasan bol chu tu che dung ju ya hi iveta hi le len lo kiti pa hi ajawai sei banga chu sensitive ma mai je a chu hoita ibna adra pong ki bol po wa a hi le koite ham drafting committee a jam chu tinglang ni chu ni le thumbe i jaw te diu chu akijaw lo wai le hoi lo de ti chu he cha yeng di ya na tinglang mi ho chu at least 1 or 2 members na chalanga alen len lo iti ham ai lo le len langa experience ne iti di ha interest anala ho chu ajawa boarding in tin chule ajawai sai banga existing act and laws tinglang gam to ki relate ho chu sa hiya achu me bol chu ipidar karap na che ja chu amendment bol angai mong eti ai le hinge amendment boarding wang chu adar kare ajawa sei banga village authority act jong chu amendment boarding a hetia khatve la chu mi civil society chief or tribal chief forum Manipur te o to ki to khoma ki bola che jong chu hill area committee ki pe eluna I ma cha kan na lo na chule ajawa sei khat ki sei lai le Hill Area Committee Order 1972 hi second schedule matter second schedule hi igat tamta apawariti di ha ama thune na chu somle ni change ki pe chu somle thumna hi cha akipete ho chungwu ma chu any other matter which the assembly may by resolution declare to be a matter which shall come within the purview of the Hill Areas Committee atina lai chu rule chu bol the chu number 6 a iveda ayale schedule second schedule no ya chu the regulation of the practice of Zoom or other forms of shifting cultivation che regulation na regulation means rules and regulation Hill Area Committee chun a rule zooming cultivation to ki lo nai abol thei mong chu ajo ka sei banga Chilaya number 3 achu the allotment, occupation or use or the setting apart of land other than any land which is a reserved forest for the purposes of agriculture or grazing or for residential or other non-agricultural purposes or for any other purpose likely to promote the interest of the inhabitants of any village or town situated within the hill areas. Kitinalay chume. Che ho jong se umiya ipiding a spread len long ayam. Che ho chu lingsela umay ta je chun azawa ka say banga adar karpenta chu political will umhen lang state legislature achun budget chu achumbe a hill area ading chu hill area committee to pangkhoma abol wa budget chumbe umle development jong chu phatat cha valley hi jong le na hila hi jong le patat cha hum di chu che ya chu spread land lo hi ta bia se ya ke ge la wang hi darka jong ka sa lo
necessary
darka jong ka sa lo chu le ajawai sei banga achum second schedule Hill Area Committee orders 1972 hi umsu ke chule ADC jong kim na lai ADC ho la chu ama ho EPPM yong hia ai wanga che wang chu constitutional protection constitutional power administrative power anei lo je wa chu sectoral provision ni state government in jong thumve jen recommendable sa hi ta hiya notice adinga sectoral provision chu tribal te ho adinga development hile protection hile EP hile custom culture ai lo le right chum protect na dinga achum be Indian constitution in provision na pe pa hina Manipur ke usia lo chu EP ja lo ham che umen lang hile ajo se ho zo se chu ma patat che che the di chu Manipur state adinga jong chu EP di da double crop hung di chu double crop hi na ding chu for the state of Manipur if the sectoral provision is extended it will be double crop valley azong chu a budget a state in a budget chu mani chu na then within the jurisdiction of sectoral provision if it is extended there will be a spread budget na chungum de ja chu double crop chu a state adinga valley hi jong le hill hi jong le we will all develop na che chu state government in jong che chu gang thei pen in extend boarding pa hi lungdel in ne lang le alien lo lang sa nga chu che chu darkar aji chu spread len lo darkar te asai na pa chu development ai ti chu la na development je a se hi le tu ka sei pa zo hi ama sading hi chu
ai chu hung ki sei ppen so protection tribal protection hipurad abolish hidam ahi na pu Tongmang jong cha ep na sei
chi chu cha nga hi 2018 na chu protection of Manipur people's bill and the proposal ki ho yo shi ka jaw so na hill tribal CS or yo shi jaw except naga so wang chu jaw ya icha ki ball pen che ya adang dang dong chu tam pi ki se na ai wa na athu pi pen na ki ball che ya there is a need for mutual consultation before any act 2015 achu they have a male bitter experience and the name to 3 bills or to tribal on anakinanga na to reject ki ball 2018 achu CM pan consultation committee and former ki ho yo shi ki jawa accordingly the act was framed the bill was framed it was referred to the hill area committee there is the proper authority for the hill area na do we have to pass and ki boss in the similar manner if the good intention of Manipur government is there they should convey a consultation committee both the hills and the valley we will sit down with mutual consultation here if it is required we will frame a new law now if it is to our interest also to our otherwise we will see what the intention of the government is first because without that we cannot oppose or nor we cannot support right now at this moment na ipi ke hello it's only contemplation in the life na
it may be too early to oppose and to agree with because the meeting is also not yet constituted na a committee kati adopting committee
the best possible result will be to have a mutual consultation among the tribals and the non-tribals and with the government but in this line I would suggest that the elected representatives na MLA anyhow they should take a leading role to convince the government that there should be a consultation committee that the government should not silently work on its own ignoring the sentiment of the hill people chihaju amahon convey about you in no case hill area committee should not be sidelined chihaju this it will be I think a double cropping like Sanga.
supplement ga ki bol le na
ikhat phazang idei sot povin na phatai na ong hitai chom sakhat ga sayo
chom sa ga sing ajo wa ka say second set of hill area committee order number 1 na chuna development and economic planning within the plan allocations for the hill area chu within the plan allocations for the hill area plan allocation chu valley le hila aspreta dikiti chu aspreta lo ham to kelo aspreta ding che a budget chu aspreta hill level ya ki ding hill area committee chun approvable dikiti na lai chu a budget pa chu na financial budget chu che ya che pa hi government chun vehen lang bole development plan economic yong le pi che chu phatat cha thing lang jong ki developing valley jong ki developing che chu ka sei
ki pam hazing in separate land law for hill areas simang cha thing hang chule phai sam hi khan to sa na hi ki bang ve via bowling tia mangcha thu ki se hi in ichi mo se ai gela ha le mo agel thai hin wanga gamle go thong hi ting le very serious case hin chi chun ichi thu hi a hi thai chana ai ho CSO leaders at chum tribal ai ho thing hang mi ho chule this nine jo guest and say in represent ai ho MLA ho in jang chi hoi tai ni ge bai tham khana land law tha implement hung ki bowling ai we will have to come together because we have to protect our land na chi chu ai ho mo he tin ai pol in zole i hin now i ki hin so now i chen now chu mo se hung ha lai ho ni nga chu lang i khat ni ba chi khat so hin ji chu very serious tai ni ge lo hi tin to apata hi to ai ging mai na la hi aji chu minister dang na sa hi le gel dau the hin na chief minister ama ta in a sei hi ja chu mo gel dau the hi pon chele ki sei bep na la hi hasre sound gel the ki jong a hi nai pon pi jong we have to balance it have all of that gel pan the o hi tai chi chu tu ni discussion or ai hum ki ho hin tin ki pam ha jing tu ni ading agenda manipur Kuki edition discussion or hi jan chai ho tin chele tu ni a panel hum te ni jong la chung chi hona impact tv Kuki channel thangin ki pa thu ka hin phong in hi hi tu ni program event now by phat chum pi na ho impact tv Kuki channel official website comment le feedback ni hin pi the o hi tu ni ading hi channel chai ho tin multina hi chi agenda manipur Kuki edition discussion or visual si mangpha